Okay, so if you're not familiar with the V-part wig, or you have difficulty wearing, you know, like a lace front wig, like I am, and need someone else to put it on for you, this is definitely a great find. You will be able to put it on. It's so simple. Let me just show you how it works quickly. When it comes, you're just gonna clip this off. You're gonna part your hair in the middle. As you can see, it has these snap combs, so you're gonna go ahead and snap it on your hair. You can braid your hair. Sometimes I don't even braid my hair. I just put it on there. It has it all around. It has these combs that's gonna go hooking your hair. It has this band. It has this drawstring. So, and then you're gonna take that part and you're gonna just put it over it, and it's just gonna look just like your hair. Trust me, and it's so easy. Once you have it on, you're gonna think it's your hair. Everyone else is gonna think it's your hair. Style it the way you want. It's human hair, so you can put heat, you can dye it, you can whatever. You can braid it, you can twist it, you can wear it up because it has the drawstring at the back. See, you can make yourself a ponytail, clip it up, just pull it back, put it in a ponytail. If you even want to do a half up, half down look, you can do that. There's no visible part in the middle, but I still would could wear it like this. See, you still don't really see anything. So it's so versatile. You can do so many things. And look, no shedding. This hair is such good quality. What else? It's so full. It's really soft. It's a great wig. And bonus, it's actually going to come with this wig cap as well as this nice satin carrying case to take your wig on the go and keep it nice and protected.